Welcome students. In today's class, we try to extend the concept of set in two forms, relation and function. For this, we need the Cartesian product which is defined between two non-empty sets. What is a Cartesian product? Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then the set of all ordered pairs x, y such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B is called Cartesian product, and it is denoted by Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B equal to set of all x, y such that x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Find A cross B if A equal to set 2, minus 2, 3. B equal to set 1, minus 4. Close the bracket. Now A cross B equal to set of all 2, minus 2, 3 cross B set is 1, minus 4 equal to set of all 2, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3, 1, 3, minus 4. Find B cross A. Now B cross A equal to, what is B set? 1, set 1, minus 4 cross A set is 2, minus 2, 3. Set of all 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3. Next we take second element minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3. We see that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. How I am saying this? If you take a graph and plot it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 goes on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now A cross B graph. 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. Minus 2, 1. Minus 2, 1. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4. 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, minus 4. 3, minus 4. 3, minus 4. Now we join the ends of the Cartesian product points. Okay, this is A cross B. Now we see the graph Cartesian product B cross A graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now B cross A, Cartesian product B cross A graph, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2 is here, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, 1, 3 here, 1, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3 comes here, minus 4, 3. If you join the points, are they equal? No, they are different. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Understood, children? We see next problem. We'll do second sum. A equal to one set of all 1, 2, 3. B equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number, numbers less than 10. What are prime numbers? A number which is divisible by itself and 1 is called prime number. What are the prime number less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. 11 is also prime number, but it is greater than 10, so we leave off. Now A cross B. 1, 2, 3 set 1, 2, 3 cross set 2, 3, 5, 7. A cross B equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Now B cross A. Set of all 2, 3, 5, 7 cross A is 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. This is the answer for cross product B cross A. Let us see another problem, third sum. If B cross A equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, Find set A and B, set B. Here Cartesian product B cross A equal to set of all minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. What is set A and set B? Set A equal to 3, 4. Set B equal to minus 2, 0, 3. This is the answer because the starting is B, set B, so we see the first element, X element as B element, minus 2, 0 and 3. Third sum is over. We will see another problem, fourth problem. If A equal to 5, 6, B equal to set 4, 5, 6, C equal to set 5, 6, 7. Show that Cartesian product A cross A equal to Cartesian product B cross B intersection Cartesian product C cross C. Now left hand side, set A cross A equal to 5, 6 set cross 5, 6. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Now we take the RHS, right hand side, Cartesian product B cross B equal to, what is B set elements? 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6 equal to set of all 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Again 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Now C, Cartesian product C cross C. What is set C? 5, 6, 7 cross set 5, 6, 7 equal to 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. Now Cartesian product B cross B intersection C cross C. What are the intersection elements in Cartesian product B cross B and C cross C? What is meant by intersection? The same element in Cartesian product B cross B and C cross C. There should be same element. What are they? 5, 5 equal to 5, 5. Again, which elements are same? 6, 6. Again, what are the elements? 5, 6. Here 5, 6. Here 5, 6. 5, 6. Then what are the elements? 6, 5. Here 6, 5 is there. 6, 5. 6, 5. See, our right hand side is equal to left hand side. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is Cartesian product A cross A is equal to B cross Cartesian product B cross B intersection C cross C. In today's class, we have seen 4 problems dealing with Cartesian products of sets. In next class, we will see some more problems. Thank you, children.